everyone. These questions are given for your practice of PV ratio, profit volume ratio. And the first question is, year is given for first year 2000 and second year 2001. Sales for first year 1 lakh rupees and for second year 4 lakh rupees. Profit and loss 10,000 loss is given and in second year 50,000 profit is given. Now you will calculate profit volume ratio, break even point and percentage of variable cost to sale. First you will calculate profit volume ratio, and profit volume ratio formula is change in profit upon change in sales multiply 100. Change in profit means 10,000 is loss is given and 50,000 profit. 50,000 minus then again minus 10,000, it means its change in profit is 60,000 rupees and change in sales 4 lakh minus 1 lakh, it means 3 lakh rupees. Then you will calculate profit volume ratio and this answer will come 20%. And now you will calculate break even point, but for break even point you have given fixed cost but there is no fixed cost. So first you will calculate fixed cost, and fixed cost formula is sales into PV ratio equal to fixed cost plus profit. By the help of this formula you will calculate fixed cost, because sales is given, any sales you can take, multiply PV ratio equal to fixed cost, we don't know, plus profit. Profit, if you take sales 1 lakh rupees, then you will take profit means minus 10,000. If you will take 4 lakh rupees, then you will take plus 50,000 rupees, and you will find out fixed cost. And when you find out fixed cost, then you will apply the formula of break even point. Break even point formula is fixed cost upon PV ratio. Then you will find out in terms of rupees terms. Then its answer is rupees 1,50,000. And third point, you will calculate percentage of variable cost to sales, and its formula is percentage of variable to sales. Percentage of variable cost to sales equal to 100 minus PV ratio. Then it will come in percentage form. 100 minus PV ratio means 20%. It means 80% of sales. And if you will calculate in terms of rupees, then you will calculate for first year 1 lakh 80% and 80% of 4 lakh rupees in second year, because variable cost is very in both year. Then you will calculate in terms of rupees. Now we will do some more questions for your practice. Then I am giving you some more practice question for your practice. This is another problem for your practice. A limited multi-product company finished the following data relating to the year 2002. And in this question, the change is this: sales data and total cost data is given, not profit or loss is given. So first you will find out difference between sales and total cost, then you will find out profit or loss. And in this question, first half of the year and second half of the year, it means 6 monthly data is given, not yearly data given. So in this question, first we will find out PV ratio, and for calculation of PV ratio we again applied that formula: change in profit upon change in sales multiply 100, and change in profit we will find out 45,000 minus 40,000 and 50,000 minus 43,000. Then you will find out profit. Then you will apply PV ratio formula, change in profit upon change in sales multiply 100, then you will find out the answer 40%. And second, you will find fixed expenses. For fixed expenses you will apply sales into PV ratio equal to fixed cost plus profit. You will apply this formula and the answer is 26,000 rupees. And in third case, break even sales or break even point, and fixed expenses you will find out and PV ratio is also find out. So you can apply break even sales or break even point formula, fixed cost upon PV ratio. Then this answer again come. And now fourth point, percentage of margin of safety to total sales. In this question, first you will find out margin of safety, and margin of safety formula is sales minus break even point or break even sales. Sales is given, break even sales also you calculate, and you will calculate margin of safety first, and then you apply this formula margin of safety upon total sales multiply 100. And margin of safety will come 30,000, and you applied this formula, margin of safety upon total sales multiply 100. Then you can calculate in percentage this. For calculation of total sales, you will added both sales, because this data is came according yearly data, and this is given as per half yearly given. So you will calculate these data. Now I am giving you some one question more, and you can solve this. Last question for your practice, and the question is: a plastic company make plastic buckets. An analysis of their accounting reveals variable cost per bucket ₹20, BC is given. Fixed cost ₹50,000 per year is given. Capacity 2,000 buckets per year. Selling price ₹70 per bucket. Calculate break-even point. First you will calculate break-even point, and break-even point formula is fixed cost upon S minus V. Fixed cost is given, selling price is given, variable cost is given. Then you can calculate break-even point in terms of units, means buckets, and to find out in terms of rupees, you can multiply by selling price, means SP fixed cost upon S minus V multiply S. Then you can calculate break-even point in terms of rupees. Both answers are given. First in units 1000 and in rupees 70,000. And in second point, find the number of buckets to be sold to get a profit of rupees 30,000. It means desired profit is given. Then you will apply the formula of desired profit, and the formula is desired profit plus fixed cost upon S minus V. Then you can calculate the units in terms of bucket, DP plus FC upon S minus V. DP 30,000, fixed cost 50,000 upon S minus V. Then you can calculate in terms of buckets. Then if the company can manufacture 600 buckets more per year with an additional fixed cost 2,000, what should be the selling price to maintain the profit per bucket? In this question, first this unit is given, additional unit 600 bucket. It means the capacity of the company is 2,000 bucket, then additional 600 bucket. It means selling units is 2,000 plus 600. It means 2,600 buckets. And you can find out also fixed cost, total fixed cost, because additional fixed cost is given. So total fixed cost is, now total fixed cost 50,000 plus 2,000. It means 52,000 fixed cost. Then what should be the selling price? Selling price calculate to maintain the profit per bucket as second point. It means first we will calculate in second point profit per unit, and in this question we will calculate 1600 buckets in terms of selling price and profit is given. Then we will calculate per unit profit, 30,000 divided by 1600. Then we can find out per unit profit, and in this question 2,000 plus 600, 2,600 selling unit is given. So 2,600 multiply profit, per unit profit. Then we can find out total profit, and we will calculate selling price per unit. So for the calculation of this, new selling units is come, and new fixed cost is come. So then we will apply the formula break even point in units, then DP desired profit plus FC, new DP per unit multiply 2,600, fixed cost 50,000 plus 2,000, then 52,000, and S minus V, as we will find out, minus variable cost will remain same. And break even point in units, it means 2,000 plus 600, it means 2,600 we will take. Then we can calculate selling price per unit, and the answer will come. If you have faced any problem, then you can ask from me.